What's
Hi,
happening?
how are you doing?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm good as well. How's it going in Dehradun?
Dude, it's too good.
It's
I
too
have
good,
just
right?
2 days of my schedule left. I'm gonna miss it. I'm gonna miss it. It's been too much fun.
Uh-huh. Very, very nice. And it's a real pleasure having you on Inspire Me today. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you so much. I'm happy to be
Yes,
here.
I'm so glad. I'm really,
And
really glad
hello,
that you're
all my
here.
fans. What's up? I love you guys. You look too cute.
You know, I have been getting so many messages from your fans that they love you so much and they were waiting for this particular inspirational session. And
That's so sweet, man.
even when they got the message for the book or the work that we are creating, they were really, really happy.
Dude, I can't believe this book is happening. I've wanted to do it since so long, but I was just like, how? Like, how do I do it? You
Right, right.
know? But
Absolutely, absolutely.
we're gonna figure this out.
It's going to be really awesome. So, before we begin this session,
Thank you. हो गया? Sorry.
let's right, right, not a problem at all. Before we begin this session, let me
Hmm.
just share a very small introduction with all the viewers.
All right.
So we have Krisan Barreto with us on Inspire Me. She's an Indian television actress, a very popular model, and one of the most popular video jockeys in the country.
Indian
Krisan started
actress,
off Indian,
not television.
Indian actress. Okay, Indian
हो गया
actress.
ना?
All right.
Stay कर दो थोड़ा time.
Yes.
Sorry guys. Hey, what's
Krisan started off.
up? We have people here.
Yes. Hello.
Stylist, AD, cute. This child here is my boyfriend.
Okay.
And this is Kinship.
Hi.
Hello. Hi. How are you
Okay,
doing?
there's a naked person there. Why is there a naked person there? Why is there a naked? Sorry, I'm not
Right.
posting
Right.
this.
Not a problem at all.
Yeah.
Yes.
What's up?
Right. So, right.
Tell me.
Coming back. Krisan started off her television career by acting in episodics like Heroes, The Fight Back Files, and Ye Hai Aashiki. She got her breakthrough in 2014 with MTV India's Kaisi Ye Yariya, where she portrayed Alia Saxena. In 2016, she played Kia Kapoor in Ann TV's Kahani Hamari, Dil Dosti Deewanapan Ki, and Tapasya in MTV India's Girls on Top. From 2016 to 2017, she played Romi in Star Plays Ishq Baz, and in 2018, she played Rangoli Rai in Tu Ashiki. It's been a real, real pleasure having you here, Krishan. Krishan, are you there? Hello?
Yes, yes, sorry.
Yes. No, not a problem at all. Yes. So now with that fantastic introduction, Krishan, if you can share about your journey, about your story, as to how did you get started in this particular industry of entertainment with everyone?
So everyone really knows like how I became and sorry my room's in a mess. Everyone knows how I became like an actor. Everyone knows that I dropped out of law school and that's how it happened. I went for my first audition and I got through. Thank you, Jesus.
Fantastic.
Yeah, yeah. So it was chill.
Yes.
It was good.
Okay, that's really, really nice. So, you got started off on the right note, and since then, things have been pretty good. Things have been really, really nice
It's
with the
been
way that your work
awesome.
has been explored now.
It's been too good, dude. I can't even believe what is happening. I'm shooting my first film. Like, I'm gonna take this down. This is damn irritating. Yeah,
Right,
so I'm,
right, right.
I'm literally shooting my first film. Like, it's crazy.
Okay, that is
Today,
fantastic.
I think I have the last 2 days left, and
Uh-huh.
then a shoot for a Punjabi music video in Chandigarh.
That is amazing. In fact, your fans are really, really excited then to, see you in many more things coming up now.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
There's a coming up, and then of course I'm gonna spend New Year's in Goa, and it's gonna be insane.
Okay.
I'll try
That's
posting. I never post from there. It's just,
right, right, right.
you know.
Awesome, awesome. Okay. So, moving on to the next question. What is that one thing, Krisan, that always makes you happy?
My dog.
Your
She's a
dog. Okay.
I wake up every morning and I look at her face and it's just like, oh, should I miss her? She's adorable. She's like the cutest thing on this planet.
Okay. What's the name of your dog?
Kiara.
Kiara. Okay.
Yeah.
That's great. That's really nice. Okay. Next up, I have a very interesting question for you. That if you weren't in the entertainment industry, okay, which profession, according to you, would you have been in that you would have loved to be in and you would have enjoyed that?
So basically, I was studying law. I wanted to be a criminal lawyer, but then I worked with a criminal lawyer and I met all these like rapists and murderers, and I was like, I couldn't. It's not my scene.
It was
So
really scary.
yeah, dude, it's not my vibe. Like, imagine I would literally be reading these cases, and then they would come in front of me, be like, what the hell is going on? It was too scary. So I was like, I'm out. I can't do this. Not happening. So I think I'd be a wedding planner.
Wedding
It's a
planner. Okay.
it's this job, but it's a fun job. But
That's a
then you
fun
know what?
job, yeah.
I was like, fuck, I could be like a wedding planner and I could be a divorce lawyer. So at their weddings, I could be like, yeah, for future reference.
Then the business is covered from all sides then.
It'd be too good. That would just be
Yeah.
like, it would be
That would
sorted.
be mad fun. Yes. Okay, that's really, really nice. So far we know about how you got started in the entertainment industry as an actor, as a VJ, as a super successful model in the entertainment industry. The one thing that makes you happy is your dog. If you weren't in the entertainment industry, you would have been a criminal lawyer or you would have been a wedding planner and a divorce planner
I'm
as
a
well.
wedding planner plus divorce lawyer.
Divorce lawyer. Okay.
Both, इधर से and then इधर से. It's just
That's
like
a deadly combination.
too good.
Yes. Okay. Next up, I have another interesting question for you. If
Mhm.
you can share a particular incident from your life which completely changed the game for you,
I mean, mentally,
mentally or even when it comes to your profession, what were the things like? Any one incident that you feel that is very close to your heart and it changed everything for you?
Sushant dying.
Okay. Hmm.
I mean, that was, I couldn't. I think that nothing on this planet has ever affected me like that. And I knew that if if I could deal with that and if I could, you know, get okay. I mean, I'm still not okay,
Right.
but kind of okay now.
Hmm.
Um, but if I could deal with that, I can deal with anything. You know,
Hmm.
it's like death is the one thing that changes you the most.
Right.
Yeah. And more than anything. So it taught me a lot.
Absolutely.
It taught me a lot. Also taught me like so many lessons. You know,
Right.
life is really short. Life is super short. You never know when you speak to someone for the last time. So you
Hmm.
should, no matter what, you should just be nice.
Right.
It makes no sense creating enemies. It makes no sense like, oh my
What
god,
happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? Lights went out?
the lights turned off. I'm scared of darkness, bro. And I'm live.
Okay.
Okay, wait 1 second. I'm
Sure,
gonna.
sure, 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 sure. Please take your time. Please take your time.
Oh, fuck. Yeah. All right, cool.
Right. So you were speaking about
Look at
how life is
Dehradun.
short. Wow, that's beautiful.
Yeah. So life
Yes,
is
you were
super
saying.
short. Life is super short. You should be nice to people. Even if people do bad to you, fuck it. It's all good. Move on. It's all chill.
Absolutely. The main thing is to be kind, is to be happy and do the things that really, really inspire you to get ahead.
Yeah, exactly.
That's amazing. That's really, really nice advice and it's a great message as well.
Yeah. And
Yes.
and also he taught me. you should be very careful about the people you let enter your life. Very careful.
Right.
Very, very
Absolutely.
careful. Yeah.
Correct, correct, correct. Right. You should be careful about the kind of people that we meet, the kind of people that we actually trust as well. So there is a
Very
level of
careful. I thought my trust is gone. I don't trust anyone anymore. Oh yeah, I'm done. I'm done. But
right, right, right. There
but
should
yeah,
be a level of self-awareness. Absolutely.
there needs to
Always.
be so many levels of self-awareness. You can't be a dumbass. Yeah,
True, true. Absolutely
I've
right.
I've
Absolutely
learned a
right.
lot this year. Believe me, especially how to not be a dumbass. That was 2020 awakening. Stop being a fucking
Absolutely.
dumbass. Yeah,
It has changed everything being in 2020 now.
too good. Love it.
Yes.
Favorite year. Favorite year.
Yes. Favorite, yeah. Okay. Next up, I have two more questions for you. Okay, and very simple questions are there that
I just realized how
you
cold it is. Fuck, I'm dying. Sorry.
what? No, no problem at all. No problem at all. You're right.
It's like 8 degrees.
8
I'm
degrees.
dying.
Wow, that's really, really cold.
I'm fucking dying. Okay, tell me, tell me.
Right, right, right. No, no
It's
problem
okay.
at all.
I'll do it for you guys. See, my fans. The shit I do
Yes,
for you
yes.
guys, I'm fucking freezing right now. I just realized. Okay, cool. Yeah, go ahead.
Right, right. Okay, so the last two questions that I have for you, first and foremost, is when we look at people who are successful today, we don't actually see the kind of failures, the kind of issues, the kind of problems, the kind of obstacles that they have actually gone through. Okay, so with the kind of ups and downs that you have had, Krisan, according to you, to inspire other people or to motivate people who watch you, who adore you, who wish to, get a certain level of success, no matter what field they are in, according to you, what are your top five rules of success?
Rule number one,
Hmm.
never be disheartened, no matter
Okay,
what. Okay,
right,
as an actor, you will go for auditions every day.
right,
You go for 100 auditions and you'll get 3 roles. So that is a lot of rejection. That's a lot of, that you didn't get the part, and that sucks. And a lot of people give up because of that. That's rule
correct,
number one. You
right,
can't give. You can't give up.
true.
How many do I have to give you? 4 more.
Four more.
4 more. All right. Rule number
Right,
two: always be happy in life, no matter what happens. No matter what happens,
right,
just be happy.
true.
That anything can happen. Anything can
You
happen. You
just
just
have
have
to be happy.
You just have to be happy.
True.
Realize that your happiness should not depend on someone else. Number one, main thing. Your happiness cannot depend on someone else. It cannot depend on a thing. It cannot depend on anything external. Happiness
Right,
comes from
absolutely.
here,
Within.
inside yourself.
True. Absolutely right.
All right, how many did I give you? 3.
Two. I think another three more.
Another 3 more.
Another three more.
No, yeah, you're cheating. I gave you 3.
Okay, all right.
Making me think, it's so cool, man. Another rule of success.
Right,
Yeah, no matter what people say to you, maybe like your family will be like, no, don't do this. Or like your friends will be like, oh, you can't do this. I mean, when I told my friends I'm going to be an actor, they all laughed at me. When I told my friends I was getting into law school, they all laughed at me. They're like, you two will never get in. I got in, I was
right,
like, bitches, not up. I was also told by a lot of people that I would never be able to do a daily soap like a GEC. But
right,
bitches, I did Sasural se Marka. I was Sanjana. Like,
right,
when, I don't know, somehow when people tell me I can't do something, I don't take it as a bad thing or like a negative thing. I take it
right,
like, okay, acha, you think I can't do this? But let's do it and fucking click pictures. Am I allowed to
right.
abuse on your life, by the way? I don't know. I don't know how to talk about
No,
this.
actually,
All your
actually,
motivational people will be looking and they'll be like, Who? Who's that?
I think this will be the first time a completely fun interview has come on.
Really?
Yeah,
What?
for sure. Yeah,
Why are
as
you having
in,
fun interviews, bro?
no, fun interview, as in, it's casual, it's chilled out, it's cool, it's nothing formal. That's the
Darling,
thing.
get my jacket now. Yo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's fun, it's cool, it's chilled out. I mean, we don't have to put up any kind of front. We just have to be cool, normal, chilled out, nothing else. So long as you're comfortable, that's absolutely fine.
This is Yagini. I love her. She's too good.
Hello.
Stylist
Hi.
Yagini. Go follow her. Thank
Okay.
you. She makes me look all pretty. Gives me these cool outfits. Sorry. Tell me.
Yes,
Not that anymore.
yes. Right. So you were speaking about the rules of success, that always be happy, don't take any kind of rejections to heart,
Yeah,
always
I
be
mean,
happy.
like when there's, and also don't settle. When you reach a certain place, don't be like, okay, this ho gaya. Now I don't need to do more.
Right.
So a lot of people stop, working on themselves.
Haha.
They lose their, they stop working on themselves. They think that ho gaya na, I don't need to do anything more. But there's always place to reach. There's always like bigger things to do.
Right.
So yeah,
Absolutely right. So the whole idea is to constantly push yourself, constantly be motivated.
always.
That is
And
key.
your motivation should be you. It shouldn't be external ever.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct. Absolutely right. That's really nice. So one last question for you, Krishan. If there is any message or any lesson that you would love to share with all your viewers, with all your fans, with the people who watch you, who would aspire to, be like you, any message that you would like to share with everyone?
I mean, it's this quote that I've loved and I've loved for many years. I've told everyone.
Uh-huh.
The world is full of magic.
Okay.
You just have to find it.
The world is full of magic. You just have to find it.
Yeah. And if you believe that, like if you believe that today I'm going to have a great day, you'll have an amazing day. But if you think that, oh shit, today my day is going to be shit, it actually happens, your day is shit. So it's all in
Right.
the mind. Mind is so important. I mean, sorry, the mind is
Absolutely.
not here. The mind is. Do you guys even know that the mind is not here? The mind is around your navel area. Do you know
Is
this?
it? I
Yeah.
had no idea.
Everyone, like, this is the brain, and often, like, there's clashes between the brain and the mind because the brain is here and the mind is in your navel area. It's crazy.
I had no idea about that actually.
Pretty sure I taught a lot of people something new today.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
That's fabulous. That's interesting. So what you said right now, it's more about your gut feelings, your instinct from where you operate from, right?
Fuck. Dude, your
Yeah.
gut.
Yeah.
Always listen to it.
Always just
When your gut is telling you, don't do this, don't do this, don't do it, run away.
true. Absolutely right.
Run away.
Absolutely right. So I think this is a fantastic message, for all the
Nakul,
viewers.
what's up, my love? My broski is here. Broski, I'm
Okay.
not wearing bikini, I don't need towel. Tell me what's
Yes.
up.
Right. So, just wrapping up this particular interview session, where we have had a lot of fun. That's the first thing. Secondly, learning so many new things, so many inspirational things, understanding about that the level of success you have achieved today, the work that you have done has taken so much of hard work. I think a lot of people need to understand that
Yeah, I mean,
before
people
going
don't
ahead.
realize. They think that, oh, it's so glamorous, it's such a fun life. I'll tell you what my schedule was like. I was at my cousin's wedding.
Okay.
I couldn't miss it, right? So I was like, I had to be up till like 6 in the morning, 7 in the morning.
Right.
I have left. I had my flight here
Uh-huh.
at 6 a.m. I've not
Right.
slept that entire night. And then I came here and then we started like shooting and everything. And I was shooting till today morning at 5.
Mm-hmm.
Dead, completely dead.
Right. Back to back schedules.
It's madness. It's crazy. But I love it. It's too good.
Absolutely, absolutely. That's really, really nice. And before we end this particular session, if you would like to share your experience with all the viewers about this particular inspirational session on Inspire Me, if you can share a few lines
Share what lines? What?
as to, what was your experience like today on this live session?
Oh, I had a lot of
Yes,
fun, dude. So much entertainment happened. I made you meet my peeps. The lights
right.
also went off. See, I showed you like all different things.
Correct, correct. Absolutely,
It was
absolutely
fun.
right.
It was fun. But I'm really
Thank you
looking
so
forward to
much.
that book, bro.
Definitely, definitely. We will definitely work on this, and
We need to.
possibly by January or February, we should have a good launch date. And once
Yeah.
we have that in place, we will
And
release that, and it'll be great.
I'm gonna be writing about some really cool topics. Some topics that like everyone wants to know. You know, everyone deals with this shit on a daily basis, and it's
Right,
just how no matter what happens to you in your life, you know, you don't get a certain job that you want, or like, you know, you go through a breakup or whatever the fuck happens in your life. No matter what happens, you come out even fucking stronger. No matter what.
absolutely, absolutely right. And
Yeah.
to always be strong, to keep moving forward, to have a strong mindset, and to
And
never
to
give up,
love yourself. That's
and to
number
love
one.
yourself, most importantly.
Everything else can suck it. You have to love yourself. Dude, this is why I don't do it. You know, they're like, do life coaching, like live sessions. I'm like, I'll go and be like, you know, fucking love yourself. People are just gonna be like, how the fuck? Okay, but I'm going to do it. I'm gonna do it. I think I should.
Okay, awesome, awesome. This has been really, really nice. Thank you so much for your time. All the very best for your upcoming schedules, for your movie, and for any and every single work that you do. You keep going ahead, and it's gonna be fantastic. I'm really, really sure of that.
Thank you so much. Good
Thank you so
talking to
much.
you. I'm going to
Good
work
talking
on
to you
that
too.
book as soon as I'm back.
100%, 100%. We'll keep in touch. Thank you so much once again, Krishan. Take
See
care.
you.
Bye bye.
Bye.
All the very best.
Bye, everyone. Thank you for joining. I love you guys so much.
Thank
Bye.